Welcome to Canva Tutorials by Like It or Not. I am so grateful you are choosing to learn with us today for a continuation of the Canva organization series. As always, every expert was once a beginner. So let's get started. How does organizing with Canva folders look differently for Canva Free versus Canva Pro? Let's take a quick look to see the differences. Let's look at the Canva Free account first. In Canva Free, on your homepage, all your folders. You can have 2 folders. And in that folder, you can just put different things that relate to it. I've not used them to my advantage, really. However, there's this little button over here, the trash can, and you could technically use it like a third folder because right now, this is July 13th, 2021, they've not removed any of the things that I haven't permanently deleted, and you can actually restore things if you want. Things that I created in Canva 1.0 are still here. That's pretty amazing. So, use your trash can like another folder and then you can restore things, whatever. The other thing, of course, is likes. And this, you can't put your project in, but you can put things in there, even if you're a Canva Free member. Let's look at the Canva Pro account now. I'll list the timestamps of each lesson in the description so you can revisit the segment you need. If you haven't seen the first tutorial in this series, you missed a great one. We shared how to create a cover page thumbnail for your Canva homepage to keep things organized. This is something all Canva members can do for free. Let's get back to our lesson. All your folders. You're going to notice in here that you don't see hardly any color. That's because of the way I've organized it. CT YouTube projects. For me, this means Canva tutorial, and it's going to contain all my YouTube projects. I'm just beginning organizing since I just signed up, but let's take a peek. You're going to notice that I've got video ideas, Canva background series, 45 Canva tools for subscriber celebration. So I'm probably going to make one for subscriber celebrations. That way all projects that are for subscriber celebrations are in one spot. All the ones that for background series are going to be in one spot. How do you create a new folder? It's simple. Create a new folder. Create new folder. So you can, business 1 folder. Create folder. Business 1 folder. Let me go back. Business 1 folder. And then, let's see, 3 dots. You can rename it. You can move this folder into another folder. You can move it anywhere. And it's pretty cool. Now, I don't need this one. So I'm going to delete it. But you can share a folder with a team member if you have a team. Don't ask me to explain team because I'm really not familiar with them. But if you search team here in the help bar, let's see, team, create teams, team apps, joining teams. There's a whole bunch of different options. Sharing folders with team and team members. That should give you all the information you need to know. It's not what you know, it's how to find it. If you are visiting the channel homepage and see that a video is set for premiere, be sure to click the Set Reminder button so you are notified at the beginning of the Canva tutorial. I am always available to chat during a premiere. let's get back to learning. All your designs. Canva class. This is the one I'm working on now. So I'm going to click the three dots, click move to folder. Canva tutorial YouTube projects. That's where I want it to go. Move here. It's not going to move from all your design. It's just going to add it into a folder. Let's go to YouTube projects. And you're going to see that my design is here by itself, not in a folder. Since I'm working on it, I'm going to keep it that way. However, if I were not, I would put it in. I don't have one for that. Let's create one. How about done, CT, YouTube, done. Create. If I were done, that's exactly what I would do. And then you can actually just click on it and send it there. Now, obviously, I'm not done, so that's going to be a problem. Let's see, can I move it? Move folder. I want to move it in just there, move there. There it is, and so when I go to my folders, I can go straight to CT YouTube projects, and there's my design. It might be easier to find than finding it here, especially if you worked on a whole lot of stuff. But that's the way to use folders, and you can use folders in Canva Pro and Canva Free. But the difference is in Pro, you get unlimited folders, I think. Let me see. Folder. Create folders. Let's see. Creating an unlimited number of folders is available to Canva Pro, Canva for Enterprise, Canva for Education, and Canva for nonprofit users. So yes, unlimited folders. It's great. Up next, we're going to talk about time management and daily planners. What do you think of this organization series so far? We have 2 more planned. Daily planners and brand kits. We will feature the differences with Canva Pro and Canva Free in both videos, so there should be something for all Canva designers. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure that you click the like button. See you next time when our lesson features how to use Canva to keep things organized in your YouTube creator digital life as well as in your home. See you next time. Bye.